In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews into judge.me. By the end, you'll have your existing product reviews moved into judge.me inside your Shopify admin so they can display seamlessly on your storefront. Before we begin, make sure you can access your Shopify admin and that you've already exported your reviews as a CSV file from the review app you're moving away from. First, open judge.me from your Shopify admin. You can do this by going to your apps list and launching the judge.me app. If you're part of a team, ensure your account has permission to manage apps and settings so you can complete the import without interruptions. Once judge.me is open, head to the settings area, then find and select Import Reviews. This is where all import tools live. Think of this page as your control center for bringing in historical reviews while keeping your store organized. Next, choose to import from another review app. Click the option labeled Import from Apps. You'll see a list of popular platforms such as Loox, Yotpo, Stamped.io, and Reviews.io, among others. Select the app you're migrating from. Picking the correct source is important because judge.me tailors the expected CSV structure to match that platform's export format, which helps prevent mapping mistakes. Now upload the CSV file you exported from your previous review app. If you haven't exported it yet, go back to that app and generate a CSV export first, then return here. As a quick tip, your CSV should include key details like the product identifier used in your Shopify store, the star rating, the review title and content, the review date, and, if available, reviewer details and photo or video links. Make sure the file is saved in a standard CSV format and encoded in UTF-8 to avoid character issues. After the file is selected, click Import. Judge.me will process your file and start adding the reviews to the corresponding products. Depending on the size of your CSV and whether media files are included, this can take a little time. You can continue working while it runs. When it's done, check a few product pages on your storefront and inside judge.me to confirm everything looks correct. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that the product identifiers in your CSV match your current Shopify products and that the column headers align with the format for the app you selected. That's it. You've successfully imported your reviews into judge.me. Keep your original CSV as a backup, and you're ready to showcase social proof on your product pages with confidence.